guys, welcome to this Alice video. I am going to show you guys some vampire eyes first from Miseyes.com to kind of spice up your vampire look. Now these are their demon blackout contacts. I was only able to put one in because you can't see, so I didn't know what I was doing, so I wanted to show you guys the difference. These are their Nezuko Demon Slayer lenses. I know they're not very vampire-y, but you can always change it up, and these are really great for cosplay, and look at how awesome they are. These are their Bella contacts, which would be perfect for cosplaying Bella from Twilight, but these will also be really good, and these are the ones I use the rest of the video just to do the vampires in their normal life. And these are their whiteout ones. You're totally blind, so I couldn't see from the other eye, which is why I only have one eye in. But of course, everything will be down below with links so you guys could check them out. Really cool contact lenses. To start off this look, I'm just doing some white eyeshadow all over the lid, and I'm also going to take some brown here. I noticed that she does have brown in her lids, which is a bit strange, but after going through a bunch of pictures from Alice, I noticed that she had this. So just put brown all over the lids. See how cool these contacts look? They really complement the look. Then I'm going to take some white eyeshadow and place that in the inner corners as well. Everything I was showing in the beginning, that palette is from BH. And of course, I'm just brightening it up because that's what kind of ties the look together. Then I'm taking this gray eyeshadow right here and kind of creating an inner and outer corner deepening. I didn't know how else to say it. So use a card for that sharp cat eye look in the corner of your eye, because that is what we're going for. She has that very harsh cat eye look effect, but it's not too dark. In some movies, her eyeshadow is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna do like the medium. This was in the second movie. And yeah, so also just make sure to blend on your lower lash line as well. And we're gonna move on to the next step, which is just taking that brown, or not brown, but gray eyeshadow and just keep building until it looks very dark, like a charcoal gray. So that's what we're gonna do. We always start off kind of light-handed because then it's gonna fall everywhere and it's not gonna look good. It's gonna be harder to blend. Also touch up with that brown eyeshadow as well. And yeah, just keep on adding more and more color. As you can see, I'm just doing this step multiple times just to get the darkness that I want. And just make sure you use a really nice fluffy blending brush. Then I'm going to take a white eyeliner and line my waterline right over here. I noticed that she has that look as well. Then you're going to want to take a black liquid eyeliner. This is a pen liner, and create that inner corner, extend the inner corner, and then also create a cat eye effect. Make sure the eyeliner is thin, not too thick. That's what makes her look very alluring, and I love the makeup that they do on her. So just make sure to keep that in mind. You don't want to get too crazy with the eyeliner. You're also going to want to put the bottom eyeliner with the liquid on the lower lash line to emphasize that white line as well that we created. Then we're going to move on to lashes after finishing that eyeliner. I am just taking a mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Make sure that you heavily coat both. And then I'm going to just place some thin lashes. These right here are from Miseyes. And I am going to just kind of contour my face while I let those eyelashes sit with the glue. I'm not using anything specific, just kind of like a taupey color to create that dead look, you know, those like nice cheekbones that she has. And then you're gonna want to put those lashes on and then take like a berry lipstick. This is honestly from the dollar store, so I can't tell you the brand, but it's just like a berryish lip color. She has thinner lips, so if you overline typically kind of like I do not overline. Then I'm taking this satin lip stain that I got from Yes Style to create that soft berry look. If you just have a really light berry lipstick, you can do that instead, but she does use a berry type of lipstick throughout the movie. Diva for MAC would be really nice as well, but it's a bit harsh, so I wanted to keep it more simple. And that is the Alice look right here. I created it very softly. There are some movies where she is more bold, but I like this and I felt like it looked more like her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yes, Bella will be next. I'm just looking for the perfect wig for her. All right guys, thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.